Welcome to Accent Master. Alright, so for all the fans out there, this one has a lot of contention because there are a lot of people that teach you how to pronounce it, but they don't know how to pronounce it. So let's clear it. Alright, so the correct pronunciation of this word is Pokémon. 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 So, you may have seen it written with a little acute accent sometimes on the E in the middle. That is to kind of give you an indication on the pronunciation, but it really doesn't work, so let's ditch it for a moment. To remind yourself why this is pronounced ke and not ki, so Pokemon is incorrect, and even Pokémon is incorrect, it's because the word is in fact a connection of two English words, the word pocket and the word monster. Now clearly in Japanese it would become Pokémonster, but we don't need to do that because it's shortened. But that's why you say poke, because it's from pocket. So Pokémon, the pitch accent is a low to high. Pokémon. And notice that the N at the end is fully nasalized. So it's not Pokemon, it's not Pokémon, it's Pokémon. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.